Most people are focusing on calories as a way to guide their weight loss. You might be interested to know that science has never one time produced a piece of research or proven at all that calories are an effective way to manage your weight loss. In fact, of the more than 30 or 40 studies that have been done in the past few decades, none of them showed calories as an effective means of managing your weight loss. And yet that is still the predominant recommendation. If you chose to eat 1,500 calories of broccoli a day, would that be exactly the same thing? And would it be just as effective to choose 1,500 calories of jelly beans? Well, no, of course not. And I've asked this question of countless patients, and not a single one ever thought those were equivalent, even though they're the same number of calories. It's because the composition of your food is what matters the most. So what I'm about to teach you is the simplest and most basic trick to understanding weight loss. Your body does not burn protein for energy, and your body does not burn fat for energy. The only thing that your body burns for energy is carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are things like sugars, starches. They are found in foods made from grains like wheat and corn and oats. So if you're eating cereal, bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, and things made from these types of foods, then you're consuming carbohydrates. The fastest way to lose weight is first to balance your carbohydrate intake with the amount of energy you're spending in a day. So your body uses energy even while you sleep. We call that our basic metabolic rate. And so all day long, even if you're not exercising, you are burning some energy, but very little. So it'll take a little bit, a few days, for you to figure out how much carbohydrate you really need to eat for your basic metabolic rate and some exercise that you're doing. Once you have figured that out, then we're off to the races. You can lose as much or as little as you like simply by either increasing your energy expenditure by working harder or exercising, or decrease your energy consumption. But I will tell you that most patients, when they eat fewer than 60 grams of carbohydrate a day, then they are able to begin to achieve some weight loss. And it is reasonable to look at 1 to 3 pounds a week, maybe as much as 10 pounds in a month. So this gives you an idea of just how fast you really can lose some weight. Thanks for watching. And if you want to know some more really cool life hacks to get some balance in your health, then watch one of the next videos on our page.